Welcome back. Today in Grade 8, Chapter 2.3, Multiplying Algebraic Expressions, page 60, we will solve algebraic expressions by using distributive property. So first of all, I have to start drawing the arrow from the first one to the first and from the first to the second. Then I will draw an arrow from the second to the first and second to the second. So from the colors, you can see the difference between them. We have to remember three things. The first one was that every time when I'm multiplying algebraic expressions, I have to start multiplying the signs. So negative times negative, negative times positive, positive times positive, or positive times negative. And the second one, I go for the hashtag, which means numbers. So the coefficients, for example, 1 times 3, 3 times 5. And the third one, I go for the variables, which is the letters, okay? And here, it's the letters. So here, as you can see, what sign do we have here? Positive. What sign do we have here? Positive. So positive times positive, I'll get positive. It's so normal, even if you don't write it down. Now, the coefficient here is 1, okay? And the coefficient of this one also is 1. Now, 1 times 1, I will get 1. Even if you don't write it, it's normal. Because 1 multiplied by anything, it will give that thing back. Now, a times a. Look, the steps. I went for the signs, then the numbers, okay, which is the coefficient in here, it's 1. And then for the variables. So a times a, whenever, remember in chapter 1.6, we said that whenever I'm multiplying, okay, let's say I've got 2 apples multiplied by each other, okay, I will get the same apple. So apple times apple will get the same apple, but the exponent will be 2. So a times a, it will give me a exponent 2, because the exponents, I add them up if the bases are the same. So a times a, it will give me back a. But the exponent 1 here, 1 plus 1, it will give me 2. Okay, this is for the first arrow. Now we go for the second arrow. Again, positive times positive, it will give me positive. 1 times, what's the coefficient here? It's still 1. 1 times 1, it's 1. Now, a times, do you see the arrow? A times b, it will give me ab. Okay, this is for the red one, we're done. Let's go for the green arrow. Positive times positive, it will give me positive. Okay, b times a, or 1 times 1 is 1. b times a, it can give you ba or ab. It's still the same thing. Now, the second arrow, positive times positive, it will give me positive. b times b, okay, the coefficient here is 1, that's why I didn't say 1 times 1. b times b, it will give me b exponent 2. Excellent. Now, if you take a look at it for 10 seconds and ask yourself, what can you add or subtract? You search for the like terms. As you can see in here, I have positive ab and positive ba, which is the same thing, okay? So, you say that a square, you keep it the same, b square, you keep it the same. Now, positive and positive, it will give me positive. The coefficient here is 1, and here also is 1. 1 plus 1, it will give me 2. And the letters, it's A, B. Now a question. Why I did not say A power 2, B power 2? Because in here I am not multiplying. I am adding. When I add, I just add the like terms.